How to fix the Instagram voice message problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the voice notes or voice messages on Instagram, here is what should be done. First of all, ensure you have a stable internet connection. It could be Wi-Fi or mobile data while sending or receiving the voice messages. Try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. Once that is done, long press your Instagram application and go to app info. Once that is done, tap on storage and cache and then clear the cache. This way, it will help to solve the temporary glitches and the problems itself. Now restart the Instagram and check if the issue persists or has been fixed. If it still persists, head over to Play Store to update the app to the latest version. Search for Instagram and tap on update if a new version is available. This way, it will fix the temporary glitches as well as the bugs. After that, you also need to confirm about the microphone permissions. For this, again long press the Instagram app and go to app info. This time tap on the second option of permissions and search for microphone. Tap on it and tap on allow or enable for Instagram. However, if nothing works, you will have to uninstall and reinstall Instagram again. This way, it will solve any corrupted app data causing the voice message issue. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.